Hello, I'm Shawn Brooks, and as an experienced enterprise solutions developer, I specialize in SharePoint, the Microsoft Power Platform, and a few other software solutions. Over the years, I've dedicated myself to transforming legacy systems into modern, efficient solutions that streamline workflows and enhance user experience. With a strong focus on organizational and technical excellence, I build long-lasting solutions that not only meet current needs, but also adapt to future challenges. My primary goal is to strengthen wreckage retention and data security while training users to seamlessly do the same. Here are some of the key skills I bring to the table: Visual Studio Code, CSS, HTML, and JSON, system provisioning, ShareGate migration tool, data and content management, live streaming and audio-video editing, and SharePoint development from 2007 through Office 365. In addition to my technical skills, I have a proven track record in employee training and high-level consulting. My approach ensures that users not only understand, but are also empowered to use the tools and solutions I develop. For a more detailed look at my work, please visit my YouTube channel, where you can view demo videos of my customized solutions. Just click the link below. Thank you so much for considering me. I look forward to the opportunity to bring my skills and experience to your team and contribute to your success.